Hello, welcome to use our wireless calling and paging system. This is the two parts. This one is the transmitter. This one is the pagers. When you need to call these pagers, you need to register these pagers on this transmitter firstly. Then let me to show you the registration steps now. Firstly, let the transmitter and the pagers are both under the supplier pair modes. Firstly, keep pressing the button FUN for 1 second until this shows the RC. Then use the button Next to choose the function registration you want. This is the registration interface. To enter the number you want, for example, number 1. Then press Call button to transmit the signal to the pagers. You can see the pagers are all show 1 on the screen. Then take down the pager from the button. Then this is the number 1 page. Then next 2. Enter 0. And then 2. And then call. The pagers are all changed to number 2 now. Take down the first one, put aside. This is the number 2 pager. And then repeat the above steps. Number 3. And then call. And then take it down. Number 3 pager. Then repeat again. Number 4. And call. And then take it down again. This is the number 4 pager. And the last one, number 5. Then again call. Then take it down. This is the 5th pager. Now we have 5 pagers to call. So the registration steps are done. Then please press the button ESC to quit the registration mode until this shows nothing here. It means you can call the 5 pagers you have registered before. For example, if you want to call the number 1 customer, then enter 1 here, and then call. The first pager light, vibration, and beep. If you want to make the second customer, then repeat call button. Then the second pager, vibration. Or if you want to jump to the 5th customer, then enter 0. And then enter 5 again and call. Then the 5th pager vibration light, and beep. Then the calling steps are done here. Press ESC to quit the mode. You see, there is a QF button here. This means the fast registration. You can directly press this button to enter the registration step easily. Then the registration steps are the same as before we talked. After the registration, ESC to quit. That's okay. Now I will show you the other functions simply. Firstly, keep pressing FUN for 1 second. And it appears RC here. RC means the alert setting when the pager is out of service range. You can open it or turn off it when you enter 0. Then call. The screen shows RCO off. It means turn off this alert. When you want to open it, then enter 1. Call. Then you turn on this function. The other function, press next. It is BT. BT means the backlight period setting on transmitter. The next, FN, is the registration. We have talked about it. And the next is CT. CT means the alert times. When you call the pagers, it will light, vibration, and beep. This means the times. For example, you enter the number 3 and the call. Then when you call the pagers, it will alert 3 times. The next function is MT. MT means the vibrations alert setting. 0 means off. 1 means on. The next function is BU. BU means beep alert setting. 0 means off. 1 means on. And the other is LE. LE means light alert setting. Also the same. 0 means off. 1 means on. The last function is CH. This function, you cannot make it. Okay, that's fine. Press ESC to quit the settings.